Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Kala Akademi's prestigious All Goa Bhajan competition cancelled. Bhajan mandals to boycott competition as a mark of protest against government decision on MOI issue. Bus fare to rise following hike in diesel prices. Fare to remain same for first 3 kilometers. Department proposes increase of 15 paise per kilometer thereafter. NCP demands suspension of Jitendra Deshprabhu. Suresh Parwekar says Deshprabhu has brought shame to the party. Sirsa to send report to Sharad Pawar. All eyes on hearing in High Court on medium of issue on Thursday. Government says decision to be implemented this year itself. Futuristic approach by Arman Colasso based on promising youngsters. Team India's first test comes against Maldives on July 10th. And Goa Football Association Executive Committee wants 8 additional ASOP centers instead of 3. GFA to discuss financial and logistical feasibility with ASOP officials. And now the news in detail. The most prestigious All Goa Bhajan competition of Kala Akademi has been cancelled for now. Bhajan artists have decided to boycott the competition as a mark of protest against government's decision favouring English medium. This was decided in a meeting held on Wednesday. Earlier, mandals had decided to tie black ribbons as a mark of protest, but now, citing adamant attitude of government, they have decided to boycott the competition. The All Goa Bhajan competition is cancelled, at least for now. It was scheduled on 15th August. Bhajan artists have unanimously decided to boycott the competition as a mark of protest against the government's decision over MOI. Various representatives of Bhajan Group, along with the Vice Chairman of Kala Akademi, Paresh Joshi, and Member Secretary Pandurang Faldesai, were present for the meeting.
भाषावादामुळे आमकां मराठी जाय कारण ती आमची मातृभाषा आसा किंवा कोंकणी जाय मातृभाषा आसा त्या बद्दल काय वाद ना ती आमकां जाय आनी आमची संस्कृती जे आमचें भजन तेंय आमकां जाय दोनांयसून एक कितें तरी मदलो मार्ग म्हणून काही वेळा पुरते ही स्पर्धा आमी पोस्टपोन केल्या.
तोपर्यंत ही जी स्पर्धा आसा ती बंद करची न्ही पण फुडें चलची पण ती फुडें जो पर्यंत सरकाराचे दोळे उक्ते जायनात तोपर्यंत ही स्पर्धा फुडें पोस्टपोन करची आनी हें आमी तेंचे कडेन मागलां आनी ती तेंच्यांनी मान्य करता आमी फुडें व्हरता. तांकां म्हणटा खूब बंधनां आसात ती बंधनां तेंच्यांनी पळोवची आमच्या हितून कांय ना पण आमी कलाकार म्हणून भजनी कलाकार आणि मराठी प्रेमी म्हणून आणि कोंकणी प्रेमी म्हणून आमी म्हणटा की आमची मायभास आमची आवय आमच्या हांगा गोंयांत रुजोवंक जाय आणि आमकां हेच्या फुडें ती चललेली जाय.
Media were not allowed to enter Kala Akademi when meeting was on. Media persons were asked to wait outside. Later, Member Secretary of Kala Akademi Pandurang Faldesai informed media that the All Goa Bhajan competition schedule for 15 August is postponed.
सगळ्यांनी एकमतान ठरयलां की अंदू वर्साची भजन स्पर्धा आमी फुडें धुकळची तात्पुरती फुडें धुकळपाची.
A reporter from Panji Devidas Kamli with video journalist Sushant Pal. Transport Department has decided to increase bus fare following hike in diesel prices. Fare for first 3 kilometers will remain same. However, department has proposed 15 paise increase per kilometer thereafter.
The rise in petrol and diesel prices has in turn resulted in an overall price hike of most of the commodities. As a fallout of rise in inflation, Bus Owners Association have also submitted a memorandum to the Transport Director seeking hike in bus fare. Transport Director has proposed an increase of 15 paisa per kilometer. The proposal has been forwarded to the government.
या संदर्भात एक रिप्रेझेंटेशन फ्रॉम बस ओनर्स असोसिएशन म्हाकाय आयिल्लें मिनिस्टर ट्रान्सपोर्टाकय आयिल्लें एंड फ्रॉम मिनिस्टर ट्रान्सपोर्ट आय हॅव रिसिव्ड इट वीथ सम मार्जिनल रिमार्क्स आनी ताजे वयल्यान सो डिझल प्रायसांत सादारण 15% वाड जाल्ला आनी त्याच प्रमाण कशें जाता जेन्ना डिझल वाडटा तेन्ना रिलेटेड आयटम्सूय सगळे वाडटा लायक टायर ट्यूब्स स्पेर्स आनी ताका लागून एक ओवरऑल वाड जेन्युअनली तांकां जाय अशें दिसून आयलें आनी म्हणून आज हांवें प्रपोज केलां की सादारण 15% वाड बस भाड्यान दिवची.
The bus fare will be increased only after the government's approval. Though the department has drafted a proposal, Desai made it clear that bus fare for initial 3 kilometers will not be raised. He also said that Transport Department will notify bus stops in the state within next 3 to 4 months to avoid traffic chaos on the main roads.
हांव ह्या माध्यमांतल्यान सांगपाक सोदतां की फुडल्या सादारण 3 ते 4 म्हयन्या भितर ऑल ओवर गोवा आमी बस स्टॉप्स आयडेंटिफाय करतले. आनी सांगपाक खूब वायट दिसता की इतल्या चॅकींग जावन आनी हें जावन सुद्दां ताचो जितलो जावपाक जाय तितलो परिणाम जायना ही वस्तुस्थिती आसा. पण आतां हेचे फुडें वचून आमी आनीकय स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन हे संबंदीत करपाचें आसा.
A reporter from Panji, Devidas Kambali, with video journalist Sushant Pal.
Nationalist Congress Party has demanded sacking of NCP National Secretary Jitendra Deshprabhu from the party. Senior Vice President of the NCP State Unit, Suresh Parulekar, said that it is shameful that National Secretary is summoned by the crime branch in an illegal mining case. NCP State President Surendra Sirsat will send this report to the High Command. Deshprabhu had alleged Bharti Chauhan of selling assembly tickets in Goa.
आणि ह्या मनशाचें व्हॅल्यू कितें? भाशणबाजी करून कोणाचे एलिगेशन्स करप हेका कांय अर्थ ना. तेन्ना म्हाजो पार्टी कडेन डिमांड आसा एका इमिजिएट डिसमीस करपाचो.
The NCP leaders are upset with Jitendra Deshprabhu over his allegations made on NCP Central Observer for Goa, Bharti Chauhan and other leaders. A meeting was held on Wednesday to discuss the issue.
हांव रिकमेंड करचो ना, हांव डिमांड करतलो असल्या मनशांक पार्टीन इमिजिएट डिसमीस करचो. समजलो? आनी जेन्ना डिसमीस करतले तेन्ना आमचे पार्टी कितें स्ट्रेंथ आसा, आमचे पार्टी कितें व्हॅल्यू आसा हें लोकांक कळटलें आनी आमच्या वर्करांक कळटलें.
President of Mahila Congress in Goa, Fermina Khaute, Treasurer Venkatesh Prabhumoni, Shashi Panjikar and Pandurang Rao demanded a thorough inquiry of Deshprabhu.
हो विषय देशप्रभू बद्दल त्याचे जे मायनिंग जे प्रकरण आहा त्याचेर एक्झिक्युटिव्ह डिस्कशन केलां त्यावेळी आमी सगळे आसले आनी तेचे ड्यू एक्शन जावंक जाय हे आमी सगळे मताचे आहात. आता जे तेणे हे केला, आता जे आरोप केला तो इन्क्लुडींग प्रेसिडेंट एक्झिक्युटिव्ह कमिटी आमी सिरियसली हेचे एक्शन जावची म्हणून वयर कळयतले.
Unanimous decision was taken in the meeting to initiate the inquiry, but the president of NCP in Goa, Surendra Sirsat, said that he would send a report to the High Command and decision on inquiry will be taken accordingly.
My job is to report what has happened here. They will see the severity of the situation and they will take the decision.
Meanwhile, President of National Youth Congress Tanveer Khatib holds Bharti Chauhan and Jitendra Deshprabhu both responsible for the controversy.
Would request them to maintain the dignity of the party. I am not speaking about Mr. Deshprabhu. I request both of them to maintain the dignity of the party, work within the framework. Rest, they are mature leaders by themselves, so they know what they are speaking.
Our reporter in Panji, Basuri Desai, with video journalist Sarvesh Vayuskar. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.